Hey guys, you must avoid these 5 habits that are making you down. First one is multitasking. Now you might be thinking how? Well, neuroscience research tells us that brain doesn't really do tasks simultaneously as we thought or hoped it might. But in fact, we just switch tasks so quickly. There is a cost to this task shifting. As it is mentally draining to switch gears, it is not only does, it takes more time, but your work is also getting worse. According to studies, task shifting can actually cost up to 40% of a person's productive time. Got shocked? So it's time to put a halt to multitasking and focus on one task at a time. Second is checking your phone as soon as you wake up. It may not be the best way to start your day considering the fact that you are being bombarded with new messages, emails or to-dos and other things that trigger a feeling of stress and anxiety. This disrupts your chances of starting your day with a calm mind, as it affects your brain's ability to prioritize tasks and makes you less productive. So instead of starting your morning on the scrolling, begin your day with some healthier habits such as meditating, drinking a glass of warm water or exercising, etc. Third one is not having a bedtime routine. Your bedtime routine should represent a calming period that helps you wind down in preparation for sleep. More often than that, not a poor bedtime routine equals for sleep. Plenty of seemingly harmless bedtime habits can lead to a poor night's sleep, which can lead to irritability, trouble concentrating, poor performance at work, and is not great for your long-term health. So if you find yourself struggling during the day, you might want to examine your bedtime habits. Fourth is not turning off the notifications. You are not obligated to be bombarded with interruptions from your social media platforms or messages that your favorite online podcast had just uploaded a new topic. As soon as you turn on unnecessary notifications, you have willfully given up control of your focus by inviting outside distractions to disrupt your workflow. And fifth is drinking coffee more than water. It is often said that caffeinated drinks would dry you out. However, no evidence for this has yet been found. But that does not mean that drinking coffee all day long is good for you. High coffee consumption can cause other health problems such as stomach upset, heartburns, restlessness, insomnia, and an increased heart rate. So in that sense, it is certainly desirable to limit your coffee and tea consumption and to supplement your water intake with water. I think many of you might relate yourself with these habits, so try to avoid them and to live a meaningful and joyful life for that. Stay happy and stay tuned for more content like this. This is Divya from Tegonity Academy. We'll see you in a new video. So to get notified for the next video, subscribe to the channel and do press the bell icon. Till then, goodbye.